Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts! Linus here, and today we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of server administration. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Servers? Isn't that like super complicated and boring? Trust me, it's anything but. Server administration is the backbone of our digital world. From the websites we browse to the games we play, servers are the unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes. Think of servers as the brains of the operation, storing and processing data 24/7. And guess who's responsible for keeping those brains running smoothly? That's right, server administrators. These tech wizards are the guardians of the digital realm, ensuring that our online experiences are seamless and secure. Whether you're a budding IT professional or just curious about the magic that makes the internet tick, understanding server administration is like having a superpower. It's about taking control, optimizing performance, and troubleshooting issues before they become major headaches. So buckle up, grab your favorite energy drink, and let's embark on this exciting journey into the world of server administration. We'll explore the ins and outs of both Windows and Linux servers, equipping you with the knowledge and confidence to conquer the digital frontier. But before we dive into the technical details, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of what servers do. Imagine a world without servers. No online shopping, no social media, no streaming your favorite shows. It's almost unimaginable, right? Servers are the silent workhorses that keep our digital lives running smoothly, often without us even realizing it. And it's not just about keeping things running. Server administrators also play a crucial role in security. They protect sensitive data from cyber threats, ensuring that our personal information stays safe. In a world where cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated, the role of a server administrator is more important than ever. So, whether you're interested in the technical aspects or the security side of things, there's something for everyone in server administration. And the best part? The skills you learn are highly transferable and in demand across various industries. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, every sector relies on servers and the people who manage them. So, if you're ready to dive in, stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of server administration, one bite at a time. Let's get started and make the digital world a better place together. First up, let's talk about Windows Server. This robust platform is the backbone of many IT infrastructures around the world. It's like the trusty pickup truck of the server world. Reliable, powerful, and gets the job done. Whether you're running a small business or a large enterprise, Windows Server has the versatility to meet your needs. Now, Windows Server comes in different flavors, each with its own set of features and capabilities. From the Standard Edition to the Data Center Edition, there's a version tailored for every type of workload. You've got your Windows Server 2019, your 2022, and so on. Each new release brings enhanced features, improved security, and better performance. As a Windows Server administrator, you'll wear many hats. Your role is multifaceted, requiring a blend of technical skills and strategic thinking. You'll be responsible for managing users and their permissions, making sure the right people have access to the right resources. This involves setting up user accounts, configuring permissions, and ensuring compliance with security policies. Then there's file management, organizing and securing those precious data files that keep businesses running. You'll need to implement backup solutions, manage storage space, and ensure data integrity. But wait, there's more. You'll also dive into the world of Active Directory, which is like the phone book of your server, keeping track of all the users, computers, and other resources on your network. Active Directory is crucial for managing network resources and enforcing security policies. And let's not forget about security patching, because keeping those servers safe from nasty malware is mission critical. Regular updates and patches are essential to protect against vulnerabilities and ensure the stability of your systems. Windows Server administration is all about keeping things running smoothly, like a well-oiled machine. This involves regular maintenance, performance monitoring, and troubleshooting any issues that arise. You're the conductor of this digital orchestra, ensuring that all the different parts work together in perfect harmony. From managing hardware to configuring software, your role is pivotal in maintaining the efficiency and security of the IT environment. Collaboration is also key. You'll often work with other IT professionals, sharing knowledge and strategies to optimize server performance and address any challenges. Together, you form the backbone of the organization's digital infrastructure. Continuous learning is part of the job. With technology constantly evolving, staying updated with the latest Windows Server features and best practices is essential. Training sessions, certifications, and hands-on experience will keep you at the top of your game. And when everything runs smoothly, it's a rewarding experience. Successfully managing a Windows Server environment brings a sense of accomplishment and the satisfaction of knowing you've played a crucial role in the organization's success. Now that we've got a handle on the server itself, let's talk about managing all those Windows clients that connect to it. Think of it like herding a bunch of digital sheep, each with its own quirks and personalities. One of your primary responsibilities will be ensuring those clients are patched up and secure. Windows updates are like those routine checkups you get at the doctor. They keep everything running smoothly and prevent nasty surprises down the line. Then there's group policy, which is like having a magic wand that lets you control the settings and configurations of multiple clients simultaneously. Need to enforce password complexity rules or disable USB access? Group policy is your go-to tool. And of course, we can't forget about system configuration. This involves fine-tuning client settings for optimal performance and compatibility. It's about striking that perfect balance between security and usability, ensuring that users can do their jobs efficiently without compromising the integrity of your network. Alright folks, now let's switch gears and talk about Linux server administration. This is an area where the command line truly shines and becomes an indispensable tool for IT professionals. If Windows Server is like a trusty pickup truck, then Linux is like a powerful sports car, sleek, customizable, and built for speed. The flexibility and performance of Linux servers make them a favorite among tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Now, one of the first things you'll notice about Linux is its reliance on the command line. Unlike graphical interfaces, the command line offers a more direct and efficient way to interact with the system. Don't let that intimidate you though. While it may seem daunting at first, the command line is actually quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. The command line is your best friend in the Linux world, giving you unparalleled control over your server. It allows you to execute commands quickly and efficiently, without the need for navigating through multiple menus. It's like having a direct line to the server's brain, allowing you to perform tasks with incredible precision and efficiency. Whether you're managing files, monitoring system performance, or configuring network settings, the command line has got you covered. Once you get comfortable with the command line, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. The possibilities are virtually endless, and the more you learn, the more powerful you become as a system administrator. You'll learn how to manage services, which are like the different applications and processes that keep your server humming along. From starting and stopping services to checking their status, the command line makes it all straightforward. These services are crucial for the smooth operation of your server, and being able to control them via the command line gives you a significant advantage. You'll become a master of package updates, ensuring that your server has the latest security patches and software upgrades. Keeping your system up to date is essential for maintaining security and performance. With the command line, you can automate these updates, schedule them for off-peak hours, and even roll back changes if something goes wrong. This level of control is invaluable for maintaining a stable and secure server environment. And of course, you'll delve into the world of configuration files, those text-based files that control every aspect of your server's behavior. These files are the heart and soul of your server's configuration. It's like having the blueprint to your server, allowing you to tweak and customize it to your heart's content. From network settings to user permissions, everything can be fine-tuned through these files. Understanding and mastering these configuration files will give you the ability to optimize your server for any task, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. So, embrace the power of the command line and unlock the full potential of your Linux server. With practice and dedication, you'll become a proficient and confident Linux server administrator, capable of handling any challenge that comes your way.